Okay, so I'm leaving work, and this is how it looks here. Oh my gosh. Jeez Louise. Look at this. Ah, nice snowy day here in Virginia. And all of this has been cleared once already. Okay. Oh man. My coworker just cleared the car off. Okay. So I made it home, but I'm unable to park right, so this car's just gonna be parked wrong today. So me and Cecilia are going outside.
We're not bringing a cat.
You wanna bring them? Maybe in a little bit. Look how much the snow is like blown up here.
It's cold.
It is cold. Cecilia, are you serious? Are you serious? Oh, poor thing. You guys see this crap? Oh my gosh. This is like a blizzard. Oh my gosh.
Hi, the snow is right here.
Oh my. Wow. This is crazy. Exercise. Getting some exercise in out here in the snow. Oh.
That definitely was back in the face.
It was.
Cecilia reporting we are out on blizzard weather right now. It's about -10 degrees. Stay indoors if all possible. It's very bad out. Let's go.
Is that window? I fell on the ground. Oh, my leg hurts. Take the camera.
All right. Is this camera okay if it gets wet?
No. I don't have it in the waterproof. Okay, so shoot, my pants fell down. I got snow in my pants. I can't run, man. I ain't trying to fall again. It's really cold out here, man. This girl got me out here in the blizzard. This was a dumb idea. Done twist my ankle up. Like, this is crazy. This is crazy for Virginia. Whoa.
Definitely not Virginia.
Yeah, this is definitely not Virginia weather. Whoa. I don't even, I'm on the grass right now. I didn't know if I was on the road or not. So our journey is coming to an end. It got really cold and we only have these kind of gloves on. Wow. How deep the snow is. No, Angel, here, record me. These pants suck for that too. Okay.
Let's do it.
Okay. Ready?
Let's fall back.
Oh my gosh.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Fall back.
Does it look like an angel? Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Look at the snow.
Oh.
Hey, grab it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no.
All
Does it
right.
even look like an angel?
It does. Yeah, it does look like an
My
angel.
phone's all snowy. That's a big old angel.
Can I do a snowy? Gonna fall.
Yeah, just go back. I hope the curve is not there.
It probably is. Probably some dog crap.
I know.
Wait. Like, I feel alive. I want to get up. This is what I would do if we were in the middle of nowhere. I'd just give up on life.
Whoa. Oh my gosh, I think my phone stopped working. Yes. Shoot. I know. Oh, be careful going up the stairs.